I've been in KL, Kuala Lumpur, for a couple of days, and I've been on a mission to find some really good outdoor fitness spaces. And one of the places that I found online is in the Perdana Botanical Garden. It's a really big park, beautifully manicured, just absolutely gorgeous, and I'll show you some clips of that. And I cannot find it on any of the official botanical garden maps. So I've been sort of wandering around from playground to playground looking for something that looks like a fitness center.
A few moments later.
I have found something. Let's go. We've got some classic monkey bars. And we've got some good old balance beam. It's much harder to balance when I'm trying to look at the camera. Oh, and I'm using my peripheral vision to figure out where the next step is, but I think I got the hang of it. Whoa, no. I've never seen anything like this in an outdoor gym. And there's a little sign back there that says that it is a back stretch. And you're supposed to hold on here and just relax. It's kind of not that nice or gentle. Oh, so my assessment of this is you're either going to do it enough to build up real tolerance, or this is just way too uncomfortable to do anything with. 0 out of 10. Got some classic chin-up bars, pull-up bars, and they're a little bit wobbly, so I'm a little bit nervous. Oh wow, it's super wobbly. We've got some parallel bars for your dips and some cool moves like swinging off. It's a little bit low. Ow. This sign says we're trying to spring up. Not 100% sure that this is the right thing, but I do know that it's a little bit wobbly. This thing looks like a praying mantis. Do you see these like hooks coming out of the side? I'm pretty sure it's one of these where you bring your knees in. This metal V-shaped bar back here is surprisingly comfortable. I wasn't expecting it to be as comfortable as it is. And this pull-up situation is definitely, not the easiest for sure. Man, that's exhausting. Good thing you have super wobbly pull-up bars. The sign says that this is a vertical climber. Like we're supposed to, I don't know, do something like this. But it's kind of wobbly and doesn't feel particularly secure. I don't know. Not the greatest. But the playgrounds are absolutely awesome. So if you got a kid, or if you're small enough to fit inside some of these things, you should definitely come check it out. If you enjoyed this first vlog I've ever done about traveling and fitness and trying to find cool places to work out for free, make sure to let me know in the comments so that I can keep on trying to put this type of content together. Don't forget to like and make sure to subscribe for more quick workouts, home workouts, and cool fitness tutorials.